How to fix unwanted gaps in Wix Studio. So, for example, if the gap we're talking about is just a blank section, like this one, you can just head over and then click on any part of that blank section, and then from in there you can see these three dots. So click on it, then just delete that particular blank section. So once you have clicked on it, this should be able to actually delete this section that we have. Now, if the gap that we're talking about is actually something like this, what you can do is you can just click on any blank part of that section again. And then from in there, you can just go over right here to the line and you can see that my mouse has changed into this arrow up and arrow down icon. What you can do is you can just hold and then scroll up if you want to actually decrease the actual gap. And then from in there, as you can see, it has now changed and the gap has now been reduced. That is how you fix unwanted gaps in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.